Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I am going to be going grocery shopping today. I am going to go to Aldi, but I figured in addition to my meal plan and grocery haul, I'm going to show you kind of how I go through everything, take my inventory, figure out our meal plan first, and then kind of go from there and decide what we need at the grocery store, what we're gonna have, and all that good stuff. So I figured I would take you along with me this morning. It is a chilly, it's like 32 degrees out this morning, but it's gonna be 65 in the afternoon. Welcome to New England, right? We're all the different seasons all in one day. So I don't know about where you guys are, but here in Massachusetts, as of November 1st, our electricity bills are literally going to like triple. Like I saw, it was like a 64% increase or something, so not triple, but a huge amount. Like it's crazy. So I am being a crazy person and shutting off literally every light. Like I just came from the kitchen and the light's on. Shutting off every light, unplugging a ton of stuff that we don't use all the time, just all that kind of stuff to make sure that, which I'm just seeing now, our printer and all these things over here that I am going to unplug. Which I don't know what any of this stuff is, honestly. Oh, one of them is our camera, so that I need to plug in. But we need to make sure, sorry, it wasn't even in focus there, that we're saving money because it is coming to winter when you use the most electricity and heat and all of that stuff. It's just outrageous. Our electric bill is already so much anyway. So we're just gonna save money where we can. So groceries is a huge place to do that. So I'm going to take you along with me. I'm gonna go to Aldi because I have some time today, and they are really like inexpensive groceries there and usually great quality. But if the produce sometimes is hit or miss, so if they don't have great produce, there is a Walmart right next door. So let's start our inventory. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you guys here. I do lots of cleaning, organizing, motherhood, grocery hauls, all that kind of stuff, and definitely gearing up for Christmas. I already have 2 Christmas videos up, decluttering for Christmas and organizing the Christmas gifts that I have so far. In I think 2 weeks, what I got my kids for Christmas video will be out. So I know you guys love those videos. I do them every year. So make sure you are subscribed and let's get started. All right, so I have my pen and paper. First place I start is my refrigerator, which there's a bunch of like leftovers and just kind of messy stuff, which tonight we're having a leftover night, so all of this will basically be cleared out. But we got some grapes, which these were not very good grapes the other day. We have some apples. We have a little bit of lettuce. We've got some green beans that are struggling in there. We've got some carrots. We've got a cucumber and a couple more apples. Kids yogurt drawer. I don't typically buy Danimals, but there was a great coupon at BJ's and they were requesting some. But cheese, we need cheese for tacos. We just kind of need everything for that kind of stuff, like some produce, cream cheese, all that kind of stuff. I made pasta sauce this week, so I probably won't do pasta again, but if we are running low on like meals, I can pull this out and make enough for 2 times. Let's see, we've got some boneless buffalo chicken we can have. We have broccoli, we have chicken, we have meatballs, we have French fries, and I think we've got a couple of things of burgers. I know we have 2 burgers here, but I thought I had more. We have some pizza rolls for snacks, and I do have ground beef and ground chicken. I'm sorry, ground beef and like another small package of chicken downstairs. So that we will use that up. And then snacks and baking stuff, we are good because like I said, I went to BJ's. We've got plenty of stuff. I need to tidy this up, but it got kind of messy. But we're good on potatoes. We're good on, I do need an onion. And I do like to get the small bag of like little mini potatoes there, but snacks were good because I have snacks from BJ's downstairs, but sometimes there's a few things I will get specific to Aldi, like applesauces and stuff like that. All right, here is my list. It's pretty basic. Strawberries, bananas, grapes, a small thing of lettuce if they have it, cucumbers, bacon, eggs, applesauce, cream cheese, taco wraps, so on and so forth. So Sunday, I plan on having chicken broccoli ziti with salad and garlic bread. Monday, we're gonna have chicken, potatoes, and veggies. Tuesday, tacos. Wednesday, breakfast for dinner. And Thursday, leftovers, and these are kind of interchangeable. I like to do it on Wednesday because Layton gets out of dance a little bit earlier on Wednesday than she does on Thursday. So Friday, we will do burgers and french fries. If the burgers, if they only have 2, if they're not super expensive, then I will get the burgers. If they are super expensive, then we can have those for lunch or something one day. Like 2 of us and then someone else will have something else. And then if they aren't super expensive, I will get, if they are super expensive, I will get meatball sliders. I have the meatballs, so just make those for that. All right, I've got my water and my coffee, and the sun is so bright. You think it would be warmer out, but it is, well, it's warming up. It's 48 degrees now, but we are going to head to the grocery store. I'm gonna get a car wash and do a few other errands while I am out as well, but nothing exciting to share with you guys. So when I get home, I will maybe share some footage. I always say this in the grocery store. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's not, so it just depends on the day. So I'll maybe share some footage. If not, I will see you guys when we get back home with the grocery haul. All right, every single time I go to Aldi, I never understand why I don't go there more. These 4 bags are chocked full. Like, that bag is huge. They're all completely full along with just meat, produce, breads, and like things that would get crushed, and then literally everything else. Like, I'll tell you at the end, but just take a guess in the comments below how much all of this stuff is. You'll be able to guess better once I lay it all out. All right, so kind of where everything was already in bags by group, I grouped everything. So we have a huge bag of red grapes and green grapes. We have a bag of small mini cucumbers. The kids both like these, and I like these too. A bunch of bananas, some lettuce. I already have some romaine in the fridge, so I know the, I figured if we don't use it up, I can make, when we do burgers, these are good to like wrap in the burgers. 2 packs of strawberries. So we didn't really need ground beef. I have a little bit in the freezer downstairs, but these were on sale for $5, like $5.20 or something. So you cannot beat that for organic ground beef. I was shocked. So I got 4 of those, as you can see. I grabbed some extra thick 1/3 pound patties. So I thought those were only $6.74. So I thought those looked really good. I got some of this uncured honey ham. We're gonna make some like at-home Lunchables. Just one of the small, like I said, I had chicken, but everything was a really good price. So I figured I'd just stock up a little bit. I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken dip this weekend. So I figured I'd just take these instead of one of my, I have like the big packages from BJ. So I figured I would just take this, shred it all up, and we have it for the next few days. Some bacon for breakfast night, some pirate booty, or not pirate booty, what is this called? Like Smart Food. It's delicious. It tastes just like Smart Food and is just as good and like a quarter of the price. I got some brioche buns for our burgers. I got some tortilla wraps for taco night. I got some of these Egg Life brand wraps. I've never tried these before. There's 6 wraps in here. I figured I would try making some breakfast sandwiches on these just for some added protein, no carbs. I think no carbs. Let's see. Carbs is calories. Total carbs, yes, 0. took me a little bit to find that. So hopefully these are delicious, and I can even make, you know, use the ham and put them on there, or just make breakfast wraps or any kind of wraps. Austin loves these, and they were 55 cents. They are those flavored waters, but what I like about these is they do not use any of like the red dye 40. They don't use anything like junky in here. Actually, now that I say that, there's sucralose in there. I do not buy these often because of that. So, because it's obviously yucky fake sugar, but once in a while I will get those as a treat for Austin. He likes those, and Kevin likes the lemonade ones. So, some sour cream for taco night, and also for the buffalo chicken that I am going to make. Some eggs, some mozzarella cheese, some cream cheese. So how I saved money and like looked at different things, you got more cheese if you buy it in the brick. And honestly, it tastes better. Everyone likes it better when I shred it myself. For half the price. So, or just about half the price. I think the bag was like $3. This was like $1.79 or something for this. So definitely worth it, and it honestly tastes better. So I got this. I already got butter, like I said, at BJ's, but they say butter is going to be very hard to find and extremely expensive, which I already have seen it is in the regular grocery store. This was under $4. It was like $3.50 or something. So I just grabbed one to throw in the freezer. We got some eggs just to have for the week, but more specifically, because I have some in the fridge, but more specifically for breakfast night. Some Rice Krispies for Austin. He really likes those. That's the only cereal he'll really eat. Some apple pouches for the kids. Some salsa. Some vanilla yogurt, which I thought this was Greek yogurt, but it is not. I usually buy the Greek yogurt for Layton, but that's okay. Some 2 things of marinara sauce, some hash browns, and I just started getting some small things to put together for Thanksgiving. So I got that just to put away. So, and like I said, a lot of these things are organic, non-GMO, all of that. We love that for us. So for all of this, my total was $116. Like, if I was to buy, you know, a few, not even half of these items, it would be over $100 at the grocery store near me. So I don't know why I don't go there more often. I think I should. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's now time to go put this all away and organize everything. So I'm gonna get that done before the kids are off the bus. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you are subscribed if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.